Let me show you how to fund your Deriv account with Naira.
So the first thing you need to do is to get any browser of your choice. In this video I'll be using my Chrome browser. So launch your Chrome browser and go to app.deriv.com. So when you get to app.deriv.com, sign in or log in. So I've already signed in. So all I have to do is to tap on this deposit button here, or I can use this menu here. When I tap on this menu, I can now go to cashier, and then you will see the option to deposit. So once you tap on this deposit, you will now be taken to the next page. So let me go back, and then another thing you need to pay attention to is this option here. If you notice, I'm in real account. So if yours is in demo, all you have to do is to change it to real. So if you don't have a real account, please create one. This is the real account now. So I'll just tap on this deposit, and then in the next page I will choose the payment method that I'm going to use. So here I have a lot of options here, but what we are doing is to fund with Naira. So the first option that we have here is online bank transfer, but we have to pay attention to the limit. So the minimum limit you can deposit here is 10 USD, while the maximum is 1000 USD. So I will not be using this one. So I will scroll down and then I will choose this one, because this one has the minimum deposit of $5 to $100. So and it takes 1 working days, while this one takes 1 to 3 working days. So in this video I'll be going with this one. There is another option here, Nigerian bank transfer. The one I'll be using in this video is this one, but whichever one you choose here is going to work for you. All you have to do is to follow the instructions here and you fund your Deriv account. So let me tap on this. Then in the next page I have to read the instruction here that says follow carefully. So go through all this. So and it's saying please ensure all financial instruments, wallet, cards and bank used on platform are in your name. So all you have to do is to make sure that the bank account that you're going to use to make this payment has your full name as it appears on deriv.com. Make sure that your account verification is complete. So here all I have to do is to choose the amount that I want to fund. So here it says minimum is 7,950. So let me write it down. 7,950. So what I will receive is 5 USD. So I'll now tap on next. In the next page it says please click the button below to continue with your transaction. So when I tap on this, I'll be taken to the checkout page. So here I'll now choose to pay with bank transfer or to pay with bank. So any of these options is going to work for you. If you choose pay with bank, you just have to find your bank here. So if your bank is not here, then you can choose the other option. So but I will not be choosing this one. So I'll go back and choose the first one. So let me go to change payment method and I'll choose pay with bank transfer. So here it says before you make this transfer only the exact amount. Do not transfer an incorrect amount. So this is the amount. We're not going to add anything. We're not going to remove anything. So it says do not save or reuse the account. So they said that the account they are going to give me to make payment, that I should not use it again. It is a virtual account. I can only use it once. So as it says here, the account expires after a fixed time. So all I have to do is to check that I understand these instructions and then I'll tap on continue. So in the next page they have given me the account that I will send 7,950 to. As it says transfer exactly 7,950 to the bank account below. So here it says Fidelity Bank and this is the account number. So as it says here, the account expires in 59 minutes 25 seconds. So you will get a confirmation once we receive your payment. So that is it. So I'll have to send this amount to this bank account and the deposit will appear in my Deriv account. So now I'm with my second phone. All I have to do is to send this amount to the bank account. So now I will enter the bank account, which is 4577 414 324. Then I will choose the bank, select bank. So the bank is Fidelity, so I will have to search for Fidelity Bank. This is it. So here, as it says, this is it, Cora, the checkout. As you can see, that is all I have to do is to tap on next, and this account that I'm using has the same name that I have in my Deriv. The name is exactly the same thing, so don't make that type of mistake, and don't pay with someone else's account. Pay with your account that has the same name that you have on your Deriv account. So now I'll tap on confirm, and then I will send the amount 7,950. I think that is it. So I will now tap on confirm. So now I'm being asked to make payment. So I've checked the name, go to the checkout, Fidelity. Just make sure that the details are correct, and you still have to minimize this page. Don't close the page, just minimize and go to your bank app and make the payment. So now I'll tap on pay. So let me input my PIN. So I've input my PIN and the transfer is successful. So now I'll just have to wait. You will get a confirmation once we receive your payment. So now once they receive the payment, I'll be taken back to Deriv.com. So all I have to do is to wait. It says success. So I've paid 7,950 has been received. So now I'm being taken back to Deriv. As you can see, transaction approved. So current balance is now 5 USD. I'm back in my Deriv account. As you can see, let me refresh. Let me go to home page. As you can see, I already have the $5 equivalent and it has been added to my account. That means the deposit is now successful.
And that is all on how to fund your Deriv account with Naira. There's another way I explained in this video of how to fund Deriv, how to fund it with USD. So I showed everything you need to know, the simple step by step that you can follow to fund your Deriv account with USD. So watch this video and I'll see you in this video.